Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and this today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add overlay to CapCut PC. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have opened my CapCut application on my PC and I have imported a video as well. And if you want to do overlay, the first thing you have to do is selecting the video that you want to add as an overlay. You can import new video, or you can also get the footage from CapCut. And I'm just going to get footage from CapCut, so I'm clicking on library right here, and then I'm going to select for example from scenery category. Then I'm going to add this video as overlay, so we just need to click on the video, then we can drag the video right here as an overlay. Okay, and now the video has been overlaid, and if you want to add another overlay, you just need to do the same step. You just need to drag the video to your CapCut timeline. And for another example, I'm going to import video from my gallery, so just tap on import, and then I'm going to add a video from my device. So for example, I'm going to add this video. So just click on video, and then we can drag the video to the timeline. Okay, and this is the first layer and this is the second layer. And if you want to reorder the layer, you can tap on the video, then you can click on basic right here, then just scroll down, and then we can order the layer right here. Alright guys, and that's how we can add overlay to CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.